Adding strength to the shelled body. This task shows you how to add strength to the shelled body by using the rib capability. Click the rib icon. The rib dialog box that appears displays the prism icon as the default shape to be created. Keep this option. Select internal ribs as the profile to be used. It is easier to select it in the specification tree. Enter 20 mm in the length field to define the first limit. In the thin solid frame, set the Enter thickness option. Enter 1 mm to define the thin solid thickness. Thin solid thickness values can only buy positive values. Click the Direction tab to ensure that the direction of the features will be normal to the profile plane. Click the Draft tab. To define the draft angle, set the Draft Behavior option to Intrinsic to Feature. Options are now displayed. Set the Angle option to -1 degree. Set the profile plane as the neutral element to be used for drafting the rib feature. Click OK to create the rib. The specification tree indicates this operation under the name of rib 1.